Right, so we just pulled up at Nam Yuang Waterfall 2. I think this is the second one. There's 2 waterfalls. The first one, so the first waterfall is down at the bottom. This one's Nam Yuang 2. Last time I come here, I went to the first one. I went to the first one, me, not this one. No, no. Fuck it. Yeah, I went to that first one, mate. It was well better than this. Where is it now? No, that's filthy.
One of these is 6 foot view and you can swim in the water at the top.
Yeah, yeah, the one I went to.
Can't get up at the
wow,
top
this
there,
is steep, yeah.
Like me and Lacey seen it before, didn't we?
Come on, girl. You can. Come on.
But someone died on it.
Yeah.
Like how much people did it say? Like
Someone died on what?
People died climbing up.
What this?
It's not probably, I don't know if it's this one or what, but on one of them, yeah. That one that I got about this.
Oh, where does it say that?
no way.
I've not heard of that. Oh my god.
No way. This is a really
Yeah. Come on, mate. Wow, that is sick, that, isn't it?
Not working if you know water on it, unfortunately. How's it feel going down that as well, isn't it?
Goes all the way around, bro. Come on. I know, I'll be straight. Come on, girls. Let's keep it moving. Yeah, I think it's a little bit different in the Tiger Cave. These are God has made these steps. I said God's made these steps. The last ones were man-made. These steps are just natural from the earth. Oh, someone's lined them ones up, but like these ones here. Someone would have put them together, but these ones, they're just in the ground like this.
Sorry for the people that were watching from the
Wow! What is it, Nene?
a big one.
A big what?
A big rock.
A big waterfall.
Is this where you were flipping?
No. I think it's number 1 where I was flipping. Can't swim? What?
I bet you any money in that fucking bit where I fucking...
People died.
Yeah. Crazy sick ass shit.
I thought to get further up then. Shy it.
We can definitely get in that.
You need to get over there, man. Careful. How's he got up there? Right, man.
that way then, or this way?
Oh, let's go up
Up the rock.
there. Nah, not up the rocks, too slippy. Let's go up to the left bit. Go up the left bit, Adri. So we go to the left bit, fuck it. Does say danger, but if it starts getting a bit dangerous, we'll turn round. Obviously, we've got the kids with us. Can't be putting them too much in danger. You know what I mean? As much as they'll love it, I can't do it. Alright. Oh, these lads have turned around following us. Saw us come up, these are coming up. Watch it, it might be slippy.
Go sideways.
Got an air in front of us. Come on, in front of me. Well, watch it, slippy. Quick, watch it, slippery. Not getting sharp there. Go on, baby. Come catch up to Blake. Be careful. Yeah, the other waterfall's well better. You jump in it and everything.
Yeah.
Better be able to up here. Come on, baby.
Do you want to do one?
We'll go to it in a minute.
That weight on it. Get over there.
Follow Daddy, come on.
Yes, on the left side. Thank you. No problem. Have fun, enjoy.
What's happening, dude?
Yeah, we can swim up there, bro.
Can swim, yeah? Carry that, Liz. Go on. Come on. Come on. No, we'll go to the next one. Can't swim here.
This is where I'll just think what he was on about, bro. Just have to make sure.
I'm not doing this.
Come on, we'll be alright. Give me the bag.
They're slipping.
Pass me the bag.
Down.
Yeah, I'll grab that.
Yeah.
Come, Lace, in front of me. In front of me. Come on. Lace, move.
If I get the bags
Move.
up first, then I can help use up then, innit? Yeah.
You think about it, you won't do it. Let's just get it done. It's not that high. If it was high, I won't let you do it. You can crawl up this. Put that backpack on your bag. On your back, sorry.
It is quite high.
Oh, go on. Hold on to the rope. Go up on the rope. Go on.
1 minute.
Does it get harder? Yes. It gets harder, yeah.
Come on. Come on.
You got the kids? Yeah.
Come on. Yeah. These kids are warriors, lad. They'll fucking go through anything. Come on. Go. Nene, you climb up, yeah? Come on, let's go. Come on, Nene.
Oh, God.
Good girl. Watch where you step in. Oops.
Yeah, it's beautiful up there.
Can you swim up there and that, yeah?
Is it amazing viewing swimming up there? Yeah.
Yeah, well it's so when you get to the top of here you'll think you're there and then you go down a little bit and then there's like it's like a little dark sort of basically you go through the start bit and then there is a bit of a climb. That will be the difficult bit, but if you just lift them up and then there's the best spot.
How long, brother?
Oh, it'll take you
Nene, get up on that right bit there. Right bit. Let me get up first. Let me get up first. Let me up first. Nene, hold that. Nice, hold that.
Right, give me your hand, Anaya. Give me your hand. No, give me your hand.
Come on.
Give me your hand.
Give me Nene's hand.
I load it.
Go on.
I don't even want to do this. Oh my God.
Hold on.
Oh, he needs to grab this GoPro.
Come here.
Damn.
Nearly to help Lacey up.
Come on, Lace. You can do it. Why am I telling everyone about this lot? Right, let's have it. It's getting steeper and steeper, this, boys. Fucking mental. It's okay, stop itching it, it'll get worse. Come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Oh my.
This way, this way. Hold Daddy, come on. Hold Daddy's hand.
This is going to be our fun.
Lift you up there. Yeah. Come on, man, it's okay. Keep going.
I'm already sweating.
Hold on, Nene, hold on. Stay there. Up there. Come on, up.
Ow!
Hold on, hold on. Hold on like a little monkey, yeah? Yeah? Hold on. Good girl. Anything you can hold on to, yeah? Come on. Oh. Hold on to the rope. Go on, pull up on the rope. Pull. Go on, pull. Go, go, go. On the rope. Get the rope. Nina, use the rope. 2 hands. Come on, we're nearly here now. Woody will save you.
Walking up with it and it's turning around.
Good girl. Nene's loving it, she's like a little monkey. She is. Oh, she's climbing up everything. Yeah, you hold on to everything, yeah? All the branches, all the pipes, all the rope. This way, Nene. This way. Are you dripping? Yeah. I am. Come on, get in front, baby. Come on, in front, big girl. Let's stay there, Nene, 1 minute.
I can't do this now.
Thanks to watch the edge. Move.
I can't move, it's slippery. I can't do this now. There's no rope or anything.
How the bloody hell are we going to get up there? That way, go left. Left side. Come on, Nene.
You go first.
Me and Nene go first. Oh yeah, this way.
That way.
Nene, this way.
No, no. There's not a sticky step there.
Where?
This way.
Kyle,
Is it that way, yeah?
Yeah.
Steps going round.
going round up there.
Looks like this way.
Just let me down.
Come on, Nene. Go on. Nice, come on. No, this way, Nene, this way. Come on, Nene.
I'm not okay.
Come on. Come on, go. Good girl. Yeah. Nearly here. 5 more minutes. To the right here, to the right. Let's have a look what's over here. Stay with Daddy, come on. Come on. Stay with Dada. Yeah? Just having a look at you. Nene, stay there a minute. Sit down. Stay there. I'm just going to check you 1 minute. Come on. Watch where you're walking, walk round. Come on, it's okay. Shut up. There we go. Yeah? Don't start crying. You're a big girl. Come on. Wow, look at that.
We can't go down there.
Well, we can't go down there. Beautiful.
I swimming pool.
Yeah, we're going to go to the swimming pool now. I thought this was it. What is it, Nene? Is it a big waterfall?
Yeah.
You see it? Waterfall.
Yeah.
It's bloody fucking sick here. No, Nene, back. Now, get back here. Alright, we'll just go further up. Stay there, Nene, stay there. What's happening, guys? We've come up to this bit now, and it is vertical. We've got to climb across it, and it's a bit slippy. So if you're coming to Nawang Waterfall number 2, and you're all about safety and that, honestly, it's not for you. There's plenty of ropes and that, and trees that you can hold on to. All the way up, there's plenty of ropes tied onto trees and all that. But this bit's a bit mad. So I'm going to turn these off right there while they help the kids across. Let me hold on. Go on, you go to Blake.
I can. Look. Daddy, I can.
You can't go to Blake. Hold on to the rope.
My foot's stuck.
There you go. Hey, be alright?
Yeah. You want me waiting here or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get past me. Be careful. Yeah. Go down to that little bit.
Look at it, she's like a little monkey.
Yeah.
Go on, I'm here. Blake's gonna hold your hand.
Yeah.
Yeah?
There you go.
I'm on a little flat bit here, right, but
yeah.
I'm gonna stay on this side. Go on, back up there. Bring her up there.
Yeah, go that way.
This way. Come on. Nearly. No, this way, come on. Come on, Daddy. Stay there 1 minute, stay there. Come on. Oops. Oh, get up. Monkey,
right,
come on.
you?
Get hold of it.
Hey.
That's why you're a little monkey.
Absolutely pouring.
Same, lads. Dripping. Dripping is a...
Not even that hot.
What?
Not even that hot either.
It is.
It is hot, but it's not as hot as what normally it is.
Nice, grab your bag. Nice.
That's a lot of coming in.
I know. Oops.
You have
Careful,
to get rid
Mickey.
of them bags for coming back down.
Yeah.
Can't be carrying them coming down.
Yeah.
Hold on to the right. Hold on to the right.
Is there something to hold on to here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. No, there's not.
Give me a hand.
Let's get in.
Over. Oh. Here come to Daddy. And
Oh, them guys are in the water there.
Go on.
but all the way down there.
Kyle.
Down there.
Kyle.
How the fuck you got down there?
Kyle. Get an nail. She's grabbing the bag.
Yeah, here, come on.
And then you get the...
We go down there.
Oh.
No, just carry on.
They're in the water there.
No, carry on.
Go on.
Just carry on.
No.
Maybe go a little bit further up, then it goes down, doesn't it?
Yeah, he said that.
Once it's down that way.
I'm absolutely fine.
Is it this way, yeah?
Look, see, it still steps and all that, doesn't it?
Let me go and have a look.
Oh, yeah, ropes there.
What, to go down?
Yeah.
Come on, Nene. You just be careful, okay? Don't be rushing. Remember, hold on to everything. You're a little monkey.
This side, no.
Good girl. Hold on. The other side. That way. Hold on to the rope. I am sweltering. Alright, when I get down there, I'll stick these back on. Oh my god! A big one! Alright, so we're officially just getting to this bloody waterfall now. Everyone says 5 minutes away it was. It's fucking, we've been trekking for 20 minutes up here. Look at me, I am dripping. We are. Swimming pool, eh? Go round. Go on then. Oh, this way. Come on. One sec, grab an here. Careful, it's slippy on here. Getting everything in my bag ready. First thing I'm doing is jumping straight in here, no thoughts about it. I do not give a shit. I don't care if there's a fucking crocodile in it. I am jumping in. Where is it? Where the fuck have they been in? Where have they been in?
I've not been in, I'm just wetting.
Nene, what's Nene? Wait. Oh yeah, just that little bit. Wow, that is shocking. Go on, man. Go on. You good? Good. Yeah? Yeah. It's not even deep, is it? That is a shit bit, that. Look at the view here though, boys. Wow. What an amazing fucking view. Come on, sweetheart, buddy. Thank you, man. Slippy, yeah. Right, I'm about to dip in here, boys. Real talk, man. I'm fucking dripping, man. Oh. What? Nah. Waterfall, you're fucking brilliant. Wake up. Nene, come in. Hold that a sec, Kate. Grab an air, mate. Yeah. You coming in? Hey, sit down in there, sit down. Oh! Be careful, it's slippy, yeah? It will, it's cold, but when you get in, it's warm. Yeah? Come on, it's okay. Oh, come here, we're ready. You're getting out. Just sit down there, sit there, sit down. There we go. Yeah, chilling. Watch, Nene. Nene, watch. Get in there. Once you're in though, it's warm. Get in it. Get your head in.
Nice.
Wow, this is a nice little spot, isn't it, girls? It is a bit cold, the water, but it's fucking needed, man, after that little hike.
Sit down there.
Jesus. I wouldn't recommend doing that hike when you've got children anyway.
Oh look, a baby one.
It means a lot of ropes you pull up off. There's loads tied to trees, every like vertical bit there's a rope you can pull up on. There's a couple of bits that are a bit slicky and like a cliff drop, honestly. So be a bit careful, man, when you come into this place. Fucking beautiful, man. Oh, look at it. That's it. Oh!
That's it.
How's it look, man? Yeah, man. Really be careful, it's slippery.
Like a back massage.
What's your knee there? What's your knee there? Yeah. And sexy bitch, huh? Is this woman so sexy? Mama's sexy, isn't she? No, that's what it is. Sexy mama. Mama is a MILF. Mama is a MILF. Mama is a MILF.
We're going in. Even though I'm freezing. Ooh, I can! Oh, that is fire!
Put it back to me, that point.
No, I didn't mean to say like it's over. I meant like we'll see you when we're back to the bottom of the climbing up. So yeah, that's it until we put it back on. So take one more look at the beautiful nature. Oh yeah, and if you like exploring, this would be the place in Thailand where you should go.
Put it back.
But if you
Dude, what the fuck is both sides, man? That side and that side, dude.
And if you don't like cold water, then don't go. Because it's freezing and literally shaking. So yeah. Yeah, if you don't like it, then don't come. But if you love exploring, you can come here, but just don't go in the water if you don't like cold water. And for all the vloggers in Thailand, please come here, it's the best. It's like the best, but it's freezing cold, so yeah. Bye! See you later. I'll see you when we're probably climbing up.
So now we're making our way back down, and this is how we've got to do it. We got old, Moo. We got old. Which way did we come across? Did we go down and up?
Yeah.
Did we?
Yeah. No, we went across here.
Across here, yeah.
Yeah,
Here comes. Nah, across here. Fucking bag's well heavy.
Don't worry.
I'll grab it now, eh? That's all the names done.
Alright.
Put me on the vlogging. Yes guys, what's happening? Alright, so we're officially just working our way back down from Nawang Waterfall. It's literally getting dark. It's going to be dark in 10 minutes. That, you don't have to click that when it goes off, it's sweet.
we need to hurry up.
Yeah, we need to hurry up. It's going to be dark in 10 minutes, so we're getting down right about now. Switch it off. Let's fucking go. Talk, Jade.
So guys, today, this is the end of today's vlog, and we've just got down to the bottom.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
Right, any activities you want to see us do as a family, get them commented below, and I'll go through the comments, I'll pick one, and we'll get it done. Bless, guys. Okay. Nene, you shout subscribe. Turn around. Turn around. Nene, shout subscribe. You say it, no, say it again. Say subscribe. You say this, Nene, look at Daddy. Say subscribe. Now. You heard her. Subscribe now.